My friends, here's a 5-minute hip fix you've been missing. Follow along in real time. Cross the ankles and let's smush these knees down. Take the hands to the sides and rock side to side. We're on a nice dock here. It's moving a little bit. It's like the collapsing bridge at Universal Studios Hollywood. I love it on Lake Nishonik. Rocking side to side. We're going to strengthen and mobilize and energize your hips and the rest of your body in just a few minutes. Side to side, let these knees relax down. Maybe they're up here, maybe they're down here. Wherever they are, we're going to sway it back and forth. Okay, are you ready? Switch, and let's do twists. So adding beautiful rotation always. We got some wild jet skiers out there. I bet they could also benefit from more hip strengthening and energizing. One more time, each direction. Excellent. Now, butterfly stretch. Take the bottoms of the feet together, and we're going to do just little pulses. Lift up, exhale down, shoulders back and down. Try to avoid for right now the hinging. Let me give you a little excellent diagonal view here. This excellent view. Inhale up, exhale down. Wisconsin is in full summer swing right now on the lake. Up and down, working the internal up and then external open. A lot of that good stuff. Pliable, functional, durable hips and body. One more time. And now 90-90s. Take legs 90 degrees. Let me know if they come flying over here. We're going to go side to side. Internal. You can add an extra little twist. And then up. I still have some of my cold voice. You can hear it down here. It was cracking everywhere. Yesterday, I was back in 7th grade. Actually, for me, that would be a sophomore year in high school, I think, when my voice really started to change. Side to side. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Get this, internal, and we twist. Okay. Now, take it back to plank position. Hands are on the shoulders, elbows in. I just like to do a plank. So good for my core. And then we're going to take this leg forward. We have a pigeon and hands out to the side. Rock. Oh man, your glutes will never be the same. This is a watershed day for your glutes as well. Rock side to side. Is my microphone on? Good. As long as the microphone is on, I'm good. We're breathing. We're enjoying this beautiful weather, this beautiful day. And we're making our bodies more capable, more durable, more functional to do all the things we love to do. No matter what it is, we're going to do it right here, right now on the dock. All right, take your forearm here, bend that back leg, reach back, grab the top of the foot and pull. Twist and pull. Ooh. Twist and pull. Pull that slot machine handle. Woo! Oh, it's so good. I got it. Okay, I'm back into it. Gets a little overwhelming. The goodness, the pure goodness of it is too much sometimes. All right. Now take it back to plank. And when you're ready, my friend, take it to the other side. We have pigeon. Start it off here. Look at this. Wringing out your sides. Massaging the glutes. Oh, crap. Here comes a boat. I might have to postpone this and move to a different location. Hold on. Forearm down. Might take a moment to get down here, though. And twist and pull. There we go. I am on a dock, so I know. Might have to move it a little bit. All right. Step it back to plank. Walk the hands back. Come into a squat. Feet pointed out slightly. And let's rock that squat. We're going to come down and then inhale up. Hands together. Use those elbows to press in if you want. And then pull the knees in as you come up. So press out. Pull in. I didn't explain that great, did I, the first time? I think I'm better now. So pull out and bring them back in. 2 more times. Oh, your hips are singing. They're singing some Puccini, some Verdi. Place your right hand on the left ankle. Reach it up. Hold for an extra breath. Ooh, and then go the other side. Left hand, right ankle. Up we go. There's the beautiful sun right there. Wearing the Sean Vigue Fitness cap. And one more time each side. So nice. Okay, let's finish this off. Straddle. Find your straddle. Legs in wherever they are. Hands down or hands behind you. We're going to bring them in and then open. So internal rotation and opening, lubricating the hip joint. Shoulders are back and down. You can have the hands together if you like. There we are. They haven't launched the, okay, now they're launching the boat. I guess I could have stayed up there. We'll see. I don't want to get in anyone's way. That's annoying. Just want to film my workouts with you. We do it together. Everybody's happy. All right, finish it off. Walk forward. And with each exhale, go a little bit further. And that's a quick hip fix in 5 minutes. Good stuff. Thank you for training with me, my friends. If this workout helped, please click that thumbs up button, the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. I appreciate it, my friends. God bless you. Let me know your requests below. What other 5-minute videos would you like to see? Let me know below.